Los Angeles is both rock, pop, and new wave, heart and soul. And trash, of course, which has always been basic. When you view the parade of groupies, starlet tricks, and transvestites at any one of LA's innumerable all-night diners, it's easy to grasp how this, the hometown of Jim Morrison and Frank Zappa, has given media-speak slogans like cheap thrills and sex, drugs, and rock and roll a veneer of philosophical depth. Today's most visual trend is heavy metal. Hard rock clubs throng with flamboyant fans wearing fashions that virtually vibrate with cheap sex and violence. And where but here in the land of sand, surf and suntan lies the last and impenetrable stronghold of the bleak, bleary-eyed and black-clad punks.
Music madness.